Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farkhanda and today I'm making chicken madras. To make this curry, I'm going to use the madras curry powder that I made earlier with some extra spices and ingredients. You can find the link for the madras curry powder below. For the chicken madras, I have taken 1.5 pounds of white chicken meat and cut into bite-sized pieces. I also have here 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of Madras curry powder that I made earlier, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. You can use 3 to 4 fresh tomatoes if you wish. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of coconut cream, and I have taken 1 medium onion and chopped it finely, and I will also need some water. I have heated the pan on medium-high heat and added the oil, and it took 1 minute for the oil to heat up. Now I'm going to add the chopped onions to the oil, and I'm going to cook them until they become translucent. I'm not going to brown them. It has taken 3 minutes for the onions to come to this stage. Now I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic paste, mix it with the onions and cook it for about half a minute. Now I will add the chicken to it. I will stir it, mix it with the onions, garlic and the ginger paste and cook it until it changes color. The chicken has been cooking on medium-high heat for about 3 minutes now, and now I will add the ground cumin, salt, ground coriander powder, paprika and the Madras curry powder. I'm going to mix the spices and cook them for about a minute with the chicken and add a little bit of water so that the spices don't burn. The chicken has been cooking with the spices and the water for about a minute now, and now I will add the tomato puree. If you're using fresh tomatoes, then grind them with some water and add them at this time. Now I will add the sugar. If you wish, you can use brown sugar or the desi gur, which is cane sugar, or you can even use honey. At this stage, I've added a quarter cup of water. I'm going to cover the pan and let the curry cook until the chicken becomes tender. The chicken has been cooking on medium-high heat and covered for about 5 minutes now. In between, I had been checking it and stirring it so it doesn't burn. And now I'm going to check the tenderness of the chicken. And as you can see, it's perfectly done. Now I will add the lemon juice, mix it, and then I will add the coconut cream. After adding the lemon juice and the coconut cream, I have cooked the chicken for another 5 minutes, and as you can see, the gravy has thickened, and that's exactly the consistency that I want. For the final touch, I'm going to add a pinch of the Madras curry powder. If you wish, you can add the regular garam masala. Now I will shut the heat off and serve. Today I'm serving chicken madras with jeera rice, which is cumin rice. If you wish, you can serve it with rotis or with naan. I'm going to garnish it with some dried cilantro. If you have fresh, you can use that. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell button so you'll get notifications for our upcoming recipes. Enjoy!